In this video, we'll do an analysis of a recent accident recorded by the GoCam system. First, we'll look at the Geotab map and see the route that the vehicle took. You can see the vehicle enter the property. He was probably delivering something there, and the accident occurred when he was exiting the property. We're able to isolate the specific breadcrumb trail and see that the vehicle was about to make a left turn when the accident happened. We can also access the video through the GoCam app in the system and see how the accident happened. We can download the video, save it for use in future. We can also view the video directly on the system and see the accident right here. So we'll fast forward through the video, but the accident occurs when he's about to make a left turn, and you can see he's approaching the exit of the property. The key thing to look at here is the central yellow line, because that's crucial. So if you pay attention now, you'll see that the vehicle will start creeping up slightly just before the accident occurs, right there. So that tells you that the driver probably didn't see the other vehicle approaching. As you can see, the internal camera was faced away from the driver. If the camera was facing towards the driver, we can see what he was looking at and if he actually saw the car coming. And we can also download the data file from the G-force sensors through what's called an MDT file and analyze that as well. The G-force graph is in the bottom, and you can see that the change in G-force just before the accident occurs, showing that the vehicle was moving. In conclusion, we can see that the Geotab system shows exactly where the event happened, but the camera shows exactly how the event happened and why it happened.